Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have something exciting and new that we're going to test out together. I was chosen as an early tester, inside tester, for Beauty Artbox Nails to try their new press-on nail glue remover, and it just came in the mail, and I'm so excited to open this up, look at the packaging with you guys, and try it out. So it's so beautiful. It looks like all their other packaging, and it says on here, not for UV glue, so this is for original press-on nails. For instance, like their regular ultra bonding brush on nail glue, so for regular nail glue, not UV nail glue. And it is 1.01 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, non-toxic. It has no acetone. It's supposed to be fast and easy removal in minutes, non-damaging to your natural nails, and 100% odorless. So it just says keep tightly sealed, away from sunlight, store in a cool place, and it has a 12-month shelf life. And then it just tells you what comes in the box, how to use it, ingredients, and just some other stuff. So let's open this up. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. So in your box, you get your remover, your instructions, and a 6-piece wooden stick, which is very useful. So, is it glass? I think it's glass. Yep, it's a glass bottle, and it is clear, and let's open it up and give it a sniff test. You don't do this at home, but I'm going to do this because it says odorless. But it comes with a beautiful dropper. Very nice packaging. Okay, let's sniff it. And it is indeed completely odorless. So that is very nice. It does not smell like acetone. Like the packaging says, there is no acetone in here. So let's take a look at this. It says, use a cuticle stick to gently lift and create a gap around the edges of your press-on nails. Apply glue around the edges and let sit for 10 seconds. Repeat steps 1 and 2 until your gap enlarges, and then remove the press-on nails and clean off any remaining glue on your nail with the remover. And you should be good to go. So I am really excited to test this out. I do have, these are on with gel, so, and I'm not ready to take them off. They're so pretty. I am going to take off my toe press-ons with you guys. So yeah, this is going to be taking off toe press-on nails. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so these are the toes. They are by Beauty Artbox. I believe they're called glazed. So we're gonna just get started. This is a weird angle. I don't know. I have stuff all over my floor right now because I am getting ready to sell stuff on Mercari. So yeah, that's why I'm just kind of coming up with something really quick. This really came at perfect time too, because I did want to redo my toes for my birthday, which is in like 2 days. So I'm gonna take one of these bad boys out. Oh, this is actually gonna work well. Alright. So I'm just gonna try and make a tiny gap. It's working well. I do have base coat under my press-on. I don't know. I do that with my toes. I don't know why. Okay. So let's put a little there. And I guess we'll leave that sit and get going on these ones. Oh my god, that one came right off. Oh well. And my toes are a little bit damaged, so they are like that to start with. It is not from this remover. Okay, let's get it on the rest of I have a feeling this is going to work really well. It almost has like an oily consistency. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, that worked so good. Oh my god, it worked so good. I could honestly like reuse these, but I'm not going to do that. But you could. Let's put a little more on that one. This is going to work so good. I'm very happy to have this. Oh my god, it works so good. Oh my gosh, love it. So we just have this little stubborn one here. Oh my god, this was so fast. This is fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna do the other foot too. Okay, so back at this angle, this worked so fantastic. Like, I literally cannot even believe it. That took no time at all. Sometimes, like, the press-on toenails, they last so long for me with regular nail glue. Like, I can keep them on for 3 weeks to a month. Like, they're really hard to get off sometimes. I'm telling you, this saved me so much time, and I hate using acetone. I've said this before. It's just so annoying to me. And this was such a breath of fresh air. I am pretty sure this is going to be available for purchase on April 16th. I have to double check that. If I'm wrong, I'll put the correct thing here. But thank you so much, BTR Box. I just punched my table for letting me try this out early. I'm gonna say I totally give this 5 stars. If you are a press-on wearer, this will save you so much time. It has no scent. Beautiful packaging. I do not know what this is going to be listed as pricing wise, but in my opinion, I am a very happy camper, and I think this is going to be like a bestseller. This worked so good, and I did use this glue with my press-ons, so we're all in the same brand here, and it worked very well. Very, very well. It literally took me like, I don't even know, like a minute. So yeah, this is exciting. This might get me back to wearing press-ons on my nails. I might have to try that. I've been using gel like all the time lately, but I don't know. This worked so good. I have this set of press-ons here that I made a while ago. They're so pretty. And I just haven't worn them, but now that I have this, and I know I can get them off without, it's like annoying to me if you put on press-ons and you have to do like a whole Gel-X like soak off method, like they're press-ons. So this worked really good. I'm definitely gonna wear these very soon. So yeah, that's my quick little review and demo of this press-on nail glue remover. If I have any more information that I need to tell you guys, I'll put it in a comment or as well as the description box. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. I hope this will help you decide if you're going to buy this. You can get an early idea of if it's worth your time, which it is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and maybe leave me a comment below with your thoughts. Are you going to try this? What's your favorite press-on nail glue remover? We will have a talk down below. So yes, I love you guys. Love this, and I will see you in the next one. And here's a look at all the junk on my floor. So I couldn't sit right there, so I had to do my little weird angle, but this is just stuff I'm going to be getting rid of. Some packaging, some gels, all good stuff, but I just have way too much, so yeah, just a little